Well, it is about time to do what we have been wanting to do for a very long time. Got my keys. Yep, newly wrapped in duct tape. And I just dropped it. Ah! Monkey, Ren, Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
Oops. Okay, so what's going to happen now? Yeah, we're taking Freeda to get her tag and get inspected. Okay, because she is from Arkansas. There we go. She has to get a VIN inspection. I've already paid for the tag and everything. I had to go through a court order to do that. But we got to go get the VIN inspected, and then we get the official title to her. So the car tag agency that I go to is probably 3 miles away. I hope we make it. I really hope that we make it. Let's see what's going to happen. So far, so good. That's a start. That's a start. Let me see if I can do my seatbelt. 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 Seatbelt don't work. Seatbelt no worky work. Wait, there's something shoved in there. It's probably plastic that's all broken. Okay, we're gonna give up on the seatbelt. We can't do it because it doesn't work. Let's just get her to the tag agency as quickly as possible. ASAP, stat. Okay, here we go. We're gonna back it up. She's doing good so far. This free car, pretty dadgum amazing. All right, we have to get some gasoline too. So we gotta get gas first, and then we're gonna go to the tag agency. So let's see how she does. It's quiet, it's smooth. The interior is in pretty good shape. This is really sticky. This is like, ugh, like gross sticky. And the radio doesn't work. That's minor, very minor. Do I get an aftermarket or do I find an original one? That's tough. I kind of like Bluetooth. Gotta have my Pandora. All right, we've made it 0.2 of a mile and we're happy. So let's continue. We'll pick it up when I put some gasoline on her for the first time. Look, we made it. We have made it to the gas station and she's performing flawlessly. Even the blinkers work. Even the turn signal works. For the first time ever, we're putting some gas in. Oh, you know what I forgot? I think I have some stuff. I got some junk in the trunk I'm supposed to put in here. Do I? Yes, I do. Yes, sirree, Bob. Here we go. Ta-da! All right, first time ever. Never been done before. Well, since 2008. Only the best. For Freeda. All right, we're back. We spent $30. Got 10 gallons of gas. That's how full it is. Focus, 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 focus. She's running a little bit rougher. We're just going to try to hurry and make it to the tag agency very quickly. Come on. Come on, girl. Don't die. Don't die on me. Don't do this to me. Don't do this. Okay, come on. Catch on, catch on, catch on. Okay. Here we go. She does better at the higher RPMs. So, just kind of stuttering a little bit. That's okay. At least she's moving under her own kind of free will. Watch out, Tesla. Watch out, Tesla. Here we go. Come on, little car. Here we go. Yeah, she kind of bogs down if I step on her too hard. Ooh, let's just get her to the tag agency. Let's get her there quick, ASAP. Well, we've had a misfortunate turn of events. She left me stranded. That's the tag agency right there. She died at the intersection. Now I think she's done for. Come on, car, listen. Come on, listen to me. Either the pumps, or maybe that was a piece of the timing chain guide that was in the bottom of the pan. She just doesn't want to start. See, well, here, hold this outside, you can listen. Here you go, listen to this. Yeah, that's not good. Okay, well, we're gonna walk to the tag agency and see if they'll walk out here and inspect the car. Yay, this is fun. This is fun. After about 20 minutes, I gave up and I decided to walk to the tag agency and see if they would walk all the way back out to the car to inspect the VIN. That's the tag agency, way in the corner right there. Well, the lady was too lazy to actually get out of the store and come and verify the VIN, which is fine. She just took my word for it. Then she said she needed the mileage. So I had to walk all the way back out there and get a picture of the mileage. We'll put the mileage up here here for you. Then I turned around and walked all the way back. We got the paperwork done. Title was received. And when I got back out to the car, guess what happened? Okay, so far so good. Actually, she's running better than she ran on the way down there before she broke down. Yeah, 179,846. Is it going to change? Does the odometer even work? I haven't even noticed that. I don't think it does. Have we changed the mileage? I don't know, but we're going up a hill. That's what counts. We're going up a hill in style, baby. I think we're going to make it. Okay, we just got to time it out because I don't want to stop at a stoplight and let her idle. So we're going to... we're just going to get it home as quickly as we can. All right, stay tuned. Stay tuned. Okay, this is a good sign. We made it through a parking lot. This is a little back shortcut. Back shortcut? Yeah, this is a shortcut to get to the back of the house. Okay, we're going through a little medical complex right here. I don't know what happened. I don't know why she stalled and didn't want to go, and she almost left me stranded there. Then I had to run twice to get the odometer. So I'm still breathing hard. Mike does need to get back in shape. But look, she seems to be happy now. Maybe just the old gas. She was done with it and she didn't know how to react to the new gas. I don't know, but I'm loving this. This hasn't moved, so the odometer, no worky work. Yeah, it hasn't moved at all. But we're gonna make it home. And looky here. Looky here. We made it home. Who would have thought? Who'd have thought? That's some crazy stuff right there. That is some crazy, bat-shy, crazy stuff. And here we are, pulling right up with Fanny Flagship. And we did it. Mwah. So we made it. We made it home. We're going to call this a video. It was a huge success, except, where'd it go? I dropped my cheese sandwich. I dropped it on the floor of the car. Look at the floor of the car. We're not eating that. I'm not going to eat something that came off of that floor. No. Ugh. Oh. Oh. So, you go back in your little wrapper. Okay, folks. Fanny Flagship's first fiasco. This isn't even Fanny Flagship. No, this is Freeda's first fiasco. Yeah, Freeda's first fiasco. It was kind of effed up, wasn't it? Ah! Okay, anyway. We're home. We're safe. We're sound. Listen to the car. She's running pretty dang good. Can you hear? Listen to this. Yeah, I'm going to call that a win. All right, give me a monkey. Give me a monkey right there, folks. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. We're going to... Ooh, that's kind of gross. We're going to have more on Fanny Flagship coming up. We got to get the radio. We got to do some interior work. We got to figure out why she stalled. I'm probably going to get a couple of fuel pumps. Cha-ching. But I still like her. I still love her. All right, everybody. Bye.